Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2009 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible 3LT in Velocity yellow on black leather interior. So I'll just start over the trunk area here with you, let you have a look. So here's the trunk on the 2009 Corvette. So decent sized trunk. There is room for 2 sets of golf clubs as per GM. Definitely not the touring bags, but your carry bags should fit just fine. There's a partition here at the front where the convertible top is, so it's stored in there. When the top's up, that partition can come down, giving you more through space for storage. Down on the bottom here, we've got storage here as well as over there, and then it does have the cargo net to hold your items in place as well. So we'll just go ahead, we'll close the trunk. I'll just step back, I'll let you have a look from the rear. So it's got the nice circular taillights, we've got the chrome badge there, and we have an aftermarket backup camera which works really nice, and then we've got the quad tip exhaust as well down below. So we'll just shift around this side here. We've got the competition gray wheels, which look great, and they've got the cross-drilled rotors on there as well. And tires, we've got Goodyear tires on there, so it looks good. Over at the passenger side, we've got power windows, power locks. We've got the 7-speaker premium Bose stereo, and I'll just show you the kick plate along the passenger side. It's in really good shape, as you can see. One little wrinkle here, which happens, but overall it's in great shape. So there's your power seat, power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and not power recline, manual recline, power lumbar, and side bolster adjustment. And I'll just go ahead and scan up that seat so you can see the condition. All right, and let's hop in, have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And in the glove box, we've got all the documentations, all the books. We've got a USB cable for the radio, so you can plug your phone in for CarPlay. We've got embossed Corvette logo on the dash. Have a look at the dash, it's in good shape, as you can see. And we'll just hop out and close this side up. And I'll just start at the back and scan along this side of the car so you can see the condition. Looks good. And here we are at the front wheels. So again, nice competition gray wheels. It's got yellow painted calipers. They're looking a little tired, so we'll redo them. Probably black or red. You know, if you buy it before we do the full polish and detail, then you can choose which color you like. So under the hood, we've got the V8 6.2 liter motor, which is 430 horsepower, and that's paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. As you can see, it's nice and tidy, looks clean, and we've got the embossed Corvette logo on the hood liner. So I'll go ahead, close the hood, and we'll have a look from the front. So here we are at the front. We've got the nice projector style headlights that have the clear lenses with the color matched housing. Looks really good, and they're in really good shape. A lot of them, as they age, they start to discolor or fog, and these ones are nice and clear and shiny, as you can see. In terms of issues, I'll just have a close look here at the front end, see what there is to point out. That might be one little tiny stone chip right there, maybe a bug, so if it's a bug, it'll wet sand out. And same thing here. I'm not sure if it's a bug or if it's a stone chip, so we'll look after that. We'll either touch it up or polish it out. And outside of that, it looks great. So we'll just move around to the other side. There's your other front wheel. So again, competition grade wheels, yellow calipers, cross-drilled rotors, and Goodyear tires. And same thing back here. Awesome. So we'll move on to the driver's side. So we've got our power locks, we've got 2 user memory, programmable exit button, we've got our power mirrors, power windows, electronic door release, and a premium Bose stereo. So here's the Corvette kick plate on the driver's side. It's in good shape, as you can see. Our power seat, power fore, aft, up, down, power lumbar, side bolster, and manual recline. And I'll just go ahead and scan up that seat so you can see the condition. Looks great. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's get in and fire this one up. So just give it a second. There it is. So in terms of kilometers, 33,615. No warning lights or issues there on the dash. On this side here, we've got controls for our heads-up display. We've got our cruise control on the end of the switch here. Automatic headlights is there. We've got fog light control as well. If I turn those off for a moment, I'll let you have a look. So there's your heads-up display on the windshield, so that's great. And below that we've got power convertible top, manual tilt, we've got the dimmer switch for the dash, fuel door release, trunk release, and over on this side you've got power telescopic steering wheel, you've got push button start, you've got the controls for the dash, and then here's our radio. So we've got an upgraded Kenwood deck, which is really nice. It's got full factory navigation in it. If I go back to the home screen, HD radio, WebLink, Sirius XM, Bluetooth streaming, Spotify, Waze for nav. You've got regular nav, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and telephone controls. Very, very extensive radio. So what an awesome upgrade. And again, if I put it in reverse, there's the backup camera, which works just wonderfully. We'll move that out of the way for a moment so you can see the controls. So we've got automatic climate control. Here's the driver's temp, passenger temp, and then we've got heated seats for the front users as well. And then ashtray, and the cigarette lighter's been converted to a USB port. So that is very, very cool. There's your 6-speed automatic shifter. Here's your cup holder. And then we've got selective ride control, so F55, so sport or touring, so that electronically changes the suspension. Awesome. And here we've got a 12-volt socket in a nice felt-lined container. There's your auto-dimming rearview mirror with OnStar. There's your buttons for your universal remote. And since it's a convertible, we'll go ahead, we'll put the top up so you can see the operation. Awesome. So now that it's up, I'll just lock it back into place. There it is. We'll put up the windows, hop out, and have a look and listen with it running. There we go. Nice rumble to it. Sounds good. And I'll just show you from the front with the headlights on. What a nice looking car. I really love the Velocity yellow. So there it is at the front with those headlights on, fog lights. And I'll just move along this side here. Looks good. And I'll stop and show you the top. So there's the condition of the top. Looks good. No rips, no tears. Looks awesome. There it is from the back. And also note the side windows are tinted, the back window is not, so it's nice and easy to see in the rear view mirror. And here it is from the back with those circular taillights. Nice rumble. Awesome car. So there you have it, folks. 2009 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible 3LT in Velocity Yellow, here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.